Here I am in beautiful Colorado Springs, bringing you the first video of spring cleaning. So, when I'm here on this trip, I'm always looking to see what lessons I can learn from each experience. And it's really the first thing that hit me almost instantaneously within 12 hours of being here was I find myself moving so quickly because the world around us is a different pace than we are, right? Everywhere you go, every person you meet is a different pace than you, and that's just part of the balance we have all together. Um, but because of that, we're mixing our energy and our speed all the time, and I find myself sometimes at home moving quickly, even when I have nowhere to go. And as I'm sitting here with 4 to 5 days of I have nowhere to go unless I want to go. I have no cats to take care of. I have no friends to go see. I don't have to go do any of my activities. I'm doing activities. I'm doing them when I want to. As I'm doing that, I find myself making food slower and eating slower and really enjoying the rest. I laid back to watch a movie last night and was like, wow, I really have nowhere to go. And my first spring cleaning that I'm putting out for YouTube is it's important to let go of the energy we pick up from other places that we don't need. Every day we absorb different things around us, and they can either A, stay with us, or B, leave. It's very important that we understand that. Stay or leave. Everything that is presented to you. We also have accept or reject before it even comes in. So this first spring cleaning I'm talking about is energetically letting go of what we don't need. And after we do that, choosing as we move forward what we're going to be picking up. It's so easy to absorb a pattern of someone else, a behavior, a mindset. It's so easy to absorb because sometimes we sympathize with people instead of empathizing with people. And when you empathize, you're aware of where they are and what it is they're giving you, but you don't have to absorb it. It's out there. It's the movie that we're watching through our eyes. Sympathy is when we feel so bad for them, and oh my gosh, that's what, and we want to join them. And that's not, you don't have to join someone to help. And so, spring clean, take the energy up, put it out, or keep it. Sometimes it's good. And then pick and choose everything that comes in. So, there we are, guys. L to the 5th spring cleaning video.